was awesome. Oh my gosh, that was awesome.
What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the Crack Addicts YouTube channel, home to Chiropractic Media. Now today I have got another chiropractic adjustment video for you. I'll have the links to all of the chiropractors in the description. Before we get into the video, if you want to skip the commentary, it will start at 1 minute. So you can skip straight ahead to that. But anyway, like I was saying, all the chiropractors featured will be in the video, and if you want to get in contact with them, you can through those links. Also, if you didn't check out my previous video, I will have a link to that in the description where you guys can go and check it out. Now, make sure you leave your comments in the comment section. I want to see your reactions to the video, what you think, what you want to see next. If you enjoy the content, make sure you subscribe to the channel, leave a like and share the video. And that will pretty much be it for today, guys and girls. I will have uploads through the rest of the week, and I'll let the footage roll now, and I'll see you on the next one.
There you go. Yes, sir. You probably heard that one up in Boston.
Oh, yeah.
Woo. Sir. That's why I call him Ring Dinger. Okay, let this one go for me here, Josue. Yes, sir. Good job.
Oh, wow.
I'm pretty much predicting that you're going to get a better night's sleep tonight. Okay. Yep, let me have you here, Josue. There you go. Alright. Because I've been doing this since 8:30 this morning. We got here early just to get some computer files done.
Oh, wow.
People sitting out in the hallway at 8:30 a.m. We don't open till 9, by the way. There you go. Okay. Pushing them back forward to take that pressure off your nerves. That's it.
Ooh.
Yes, sir. Okay, just breathe. There you go. That's it, right there. You feeling all those?
I felt.
Okay, just keep breathing for me. Right leg just go in my hands. Just let go like a limp rag. There you go. Now you should have felt that from your knee all the way up into your lower back. Did you?
I did.
Okay, same thing here. Relax this one. There you go. Super. Your nose. Yeah, boy. Oh, I felt that one suck back in there. I know you felt that all the way down. Did you?
Oh, boy, did I.
And looky there, you're still kicking. So. Yeah. There we go. I got you. Okay. Yes, sir. That's how.
So like I was telling everybody, you know, there's just a little bit more tension here on her left side. So we're gonna come in just like this. We're gonna make that adjustment right up at T1 here. Not too bad, huh? There we go. Just opening everything up right there at the shoulders, right there at the trap muscles. Just releasing any pressure off the nerves. So now we're gonna drop through into the thoracic spine here, a little bit lower end. I'm gonna have you take a deep breath in and exhale all the way out for me. Good. One more time, deep breath in and exhale all the way out. Good. Bottom one straight. Just like that. I'm gonna bring you, this area is a little warm. Perfect. So just like this is gonna be the setup for the position. I'll roll you towards me. Perfect, not bad, right? You felt that move in the low back? Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna have you flip and we're gonna check the other side now. Bring the knee just like that. Good. You sure you've never done this before? Set up perfect. There we go. How'd that feel?
Feels good.
Good. Alright, I'm gonna have you lay flat on your back for me. And I want you to put your hands up and over mine, just like this. Yep. So I'm gonna lean you back onto me. Bring your elbows together. Did you feel that?
That was nice. Oh, yeah.
So we're gonna do this very light today.
Yeah.
How did that feel?
That felt good. Yeah.
Good. So yeah, function here. You know, a lot of times, you know, actually I'm feeling tightness on both sides here. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna start off at a T1 on the left side here. Getting a lot of good movement there. I know you felt that one. Already probably a little bit different than, you know, than having your mom walk on your back for you. There we go. That was a ton of movement there. Yeah, just that alone, you're gonna feel everything just loosens up. The nerves, you know, get a lot of pressure taken off there. So I mean, that's just gonna help tremendously. And then, so we're gonna go through the upper back right in through here. So I'm gonna have you take a deep breath in and exhale all the way out. Good. We're gonna do that one more time, a little bit lower. Deep breath in and exhale all the way out. Good. Kind of like bring you a little bit more on your back there.
Okay.
You can relax this in here. I want you to bend this knee.
Okay.
Top one, bottom one, just like that. So I'm gonna roll you to the side here. There we go. You felt that one release there?
I did.
All right, so we're gonna flip to the other side, okay?
Okay.
I know with this one, so many people are all worried, like, oh my gosh, I feel like I'm gonna fall off. Trust me, any chiropractor out there, you're not gonna fall off the table. That is never an issue. It's just kind of like a strange position that you're getting into. You kind of twist it up like a pretzel. There we go. We're gonna do what's called a leg pull. I know you felt that ankle release too when I did that. So what you'll feel, you can feel the ankle with the leg pull into the knee, also going into the hip, because you got to realize here. Now we're going to come to the other side. Good. So not as much of an ankle release on that one, but down all the way out. Good. So it's already nice and cleared out. I'm going to try one more time. Deep breath in and let it out. Good. All right. And so for your first time, I'm going to do this very light, but you're probably going to feel this all the way down your spine. Now you felt how, relax for a minute, because that's a very powerful move. I'm going to rotate you this way. Good, and that was already cleared up, so that was a good thing. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. But I was feeling it a little bit lower here, so I'll have you laterally flex. Turn, rotate. Good.
And one more. Got to do a double dinger on you. There it is. Got you that time. Felt that one down deeper, didn't you? Yes. Good girl. Okay. Let me have your neck here. Okay. Same over here. Tilt right a little bit. There you go. Good. There we go. Yes, ma'am. One more. Right there. I knew I had one more. Okay, just relax your hands on your tummy. And girl. Feel that all the way up into your low back?
Yes.
Okay. That girl. Good. Okay, let's set you up here now. Face.
Chin up. Shoulders down. There you go. 7. 1, 2, 3. Can you please let this hang down? Slide down just a tap. Down a little bit. Bring your body down a little bit.
On this?
There you go. Good. T3. That's a piece.
Oh my
Same thing happened last time. Let's come over here. We gotta. You're okay. We're gonna do this here. T10. Thumb, Pisces contact. That's it. Went on setup, right?
Thank God that's it. Oh my God.
Okay.
I love this.
What's that? Getting adjusted?
Yeah. So cool.
Well, you've got chiropractors in Orlando.
Yeah, but they suck.
Don't say that. I'm sure there's some good guys out there. No, seriously.
Well, if you knew someone.
I unfortunately don't know
I
anybody.
know
there.
you have to go.
I'm gonna do a trip to somewhere down south. There we go. We're gonna go down and out.
That's so freaking amazing.
Gotcha. Here, Mama. Walk it off.
I'm always behind the camera.
Walk it. Inferior to superior this way. So the idea is the coccyx is bent like this. We're doing a tissue pull. We're gonna pull it out. Okay?
Sounds amazing.
Okay, deep breath in. Blow it out. All good. Lift your chin up. Gotcha. Set your
That feels
ankle.
amazing.
Set your ankle. This was the fun one.
I love
Stand
it.
up. That's what we found. Okay, mommy. Mommy.
Oh my
You're
God.
okay, mommy. You're okay, mommy. You're okay. You're okay. You're okay. You're okay. Sit up straight. Me llamo.
Rahim.
What's the difference between saying me llamo or me nombre?
Mi nombre is my name is. And me llamo is like how they call me.
Got it. Shoulder.
Ouch.
Slide down. Down.
Échate por abajo, mami.
Down.
Es la única columna que tengo, mami.
Over, around, down. Over, around, down.
Thank you.
You're all set, Mom.
Breathe through your nose. Just like that. Home run. Wow. Yes, sir. That's a wow job. Okay. Yeah. Tilt left a little. Move your right toe. There you go. That's it. That's it. Okay. Just lay right there for a second. I'm gonna adjust your feet while you're here. There we go. That's it. Oh yeah, boy, that moved good. Just relax your leg in my hand. There you go. Wow. There's your ankle. You should have felt that all the way up into your hips and then lower back. Still gonna get your knees here too from this side. There you go. You're getting the triple whammy this evening. There you go. Okay. Now let's hit
A
you.
little bit different than what you've had before. I can
Definitely different.
imagine. Okay. Good. I got that T1 on the right as well. Deep breath in and exhale all the way out for me. Good.
I love this.
Got a lot of movement through there as well. Okay. And then coming down here, okay, I feel a little bit more, yep, on that right side, right through that. Okay.
Just like that.
Yep. So I'm going to bend this top knee.
Okay.
I'm gonna keep that bottom leg straight.
Do I leave my arm up?
I will take your arm. So I'm gonna kind of just rotate you, slide
Okay.
you a little bit more on your back.
Okay.
So I'm gonna have you come a little bit more towards me,
Okay.
right there. You already felt that move. Good. Just that
That felt
little
so
bit.
good.
Now I'm gonna have you turn to the other side.
Okay.
And we're gonna do the same thing. So the top leg is gonna be bent.
Okay.
The bottom one we're gonna keep straight.
Okay.
Let me have this arm. That arm we're gonna have cross over your
I can
chest
already
like
feel it
that.
about to do it.
Can you?
Yeah.
Okay. Yep. Perfect.
You barely have to touch me for me to.
I'm gonna come around.
Okay.
I want you to put your hands directly over mine. Yep.
Okay.
So I'm gonna lean you back onto me.
Okay.
Trust fall onto me.
Okay.
Bring your elbows together. Squeeze them together.
Oh, that was awesome.
Perfect. You can relax. Now you felt how that one went?
In the
Yeah.
top, yep.
Yeah. So from here, we're gonna come right up here up top. And what's good, she doesn't have any earrings to have to worry about. And we're going to start, we're going to distract the spine.
Oh my gosh, that was awesome. Oh my gosh.
So I'm going to let you relax for a minute. Zach, what I'm going to do, we're going to laterally bend. We're going to rotate. And just that little bit there. And we're going to check the other side. Oh, this side I can already tell moves a lot better, but yep. Didn't need it over there, just that one spot. And that release quite a bit in the area here. I'm gonna have you up, just face down. Don't worry. Good. How'd that feel? And we're gonna come on to the other side here. Good. So we got good movement on either side. I know, yeah, you really felt that one release, you know, on that left side there. So now we're gonna come through, we're gonna do the upper thoracic and then we're gonna do the mid-back adjustments as well. So I want you to take a deep breath in and exhale out for me. Good. One more time throughout the mid-back, deep breath in and then let it out. Good. Relax, and we're gonna have this leg bent, just like that. Good. There we go. How did that feel?
Wow.
I'm gonna have you flip to the other side. You are not gonna fall, don't worry. So I have that bent. I'm gonna just rotate you a little bit more on your back. Perfect, just like that. Perfect. And you felt all that movement as well, right? Alright, up by your side. Good. Come up and over, and then put your hands on top of mine. Good. So I'm going to lean you back onto me, bring your elbows together. Good. So you felt that last little bit release up through there. Perfect. And we distract in the y-axis. Now, you can relax just for a moment. How would you describe that? What did you feel?
I felt it go like all the way down to the middle of my back.
Okay, she felt that go about all the way down to the middle of the back. So I did that actually rather light. And you just felt what? Did you feel how the vertebra pulled apart?
Here, the anterior. I'm gonna put him over on the knee chest table to get this lower thoracic area because he's really tight right here. You feel that, don't you? Mm-hmm. So we're gonna move up above that. There you go. Crack addict's gonna love you. There. Like a bowl of Rice Krispies. I'm just pouring on the milk. There you go. There. You should have felt that from your knee all the way up to your low back. This is a decompression move from the lower extremity to the lumbosacral joint. There you go. Yes, sir.
Oh, yes, I need here.
Nope, just let it sink. Just kind of let that relax. Oh, yeah. That was deep. Very good. Okay. So, yeah, hands on your tummy. Oh, yeah. That's why I call it ring dare. Yes, sir.
I needed this.
Yep, dropped my hand. Oh, yeah. Crack Egg's definitely gonna love you. Yes, sir. So I bet right there's where you feel most of your pain.
Yes.
Keep breathing. There you go. You'll feel better when it quits hurting. There we go. Okay. That's it. There you go. Oh boy. Okay. If you notice in all of our videos, we only adjust the spine here to advance chiropractic relief in the pelvis and the extremities. We don't do any physiological therapeutic modalities like electrical muscle stim or hot packs or roller tables. We only adjust the spine. Okay, let's see. There you go. Super.
Oh.
Yep. That's why I call it ring dinger.
Yeah.
Felt that all the way down, didn't you?
Oh, I did.
Okay, let me have you here. Well, you left bigger. There you go. Crack Addict's gonna love you. There you go. Super. Yes, sir. That's it.
Since her spine goes to the right and goes to the left, I have to hit this right side of hers first. I'm gonna go down this way. Take a deep breath in. Exhale all the way out. And keep this leg. Go a little bit more. Put your thumb. So I'm gonna adjust this head first. Good.
Oh my god.
All right?
Yeah.
Good. Down right on this scoliosis portion right here. Good. Good. One more time here. I'm gonna do that one more time. Good. It's gonna twist this way. Good. Good.
No.
We're gonna go right here. Good. Relax it a little bit more right here. Good. Go this way. Recheck.
So let's take a look here. Good. Good. Let's see right where it's coming from. Right here, it's C2. Very good. Great. Good. Very nice. Good. And let's take a feel these joints very restricted. L4, L5, her left sacroiliac joint. Excellent. Let's go on the other side. We're going to test the motion of the lumbar vertebrae above, L1, L2, and the sacroiliac joint on this side as well. Good. Just relax. Good. Beautiful.
That's why Dr. Adolph used to remove those knobs. So take a nice breath in for me and let it go. Drop your shoulder. Oh, roll away. Fireworks.
That was awesome.
All the way this way. So that's a manipulation of his lumbar spine, and it's a quick movement. It doesn't go very far, but it's very quick, right? That's one of the differences between a mobilization and a manipulation. We get into something called the periphysiological range of motion. We create a vacuum inside that joint space. The nitrogen gas that's in the joint space is released, and that's where the cracking comes from for all you folks who like crack addicts. That's right. Take a nice deep breath in and let it go. Yeah. Let go. Oh my. Okay. Oh, there it is. Right already. Yeah, beautiful. Just the setup. Beautiful. All right.
What saxophone were you just been playing once today?
I think you stole these from me. Relax your shoulders. There you go. So hold on tight. Yeah.
I want to lock it down.
Yeah, that's all right. Take a nice breath in and let it go. Now relax.
There we go. So before we begin, someone asked why you lift your shirt up before you do the occipital lift. It's because of the button. He doesn't want to smash the patient's ear, so that's why. That's why he lifts his shirt up.
This way for me. Yeah, we get that out of the way.
Yeah.
So just gently turn left. Let your head fall into me. Yeah. Relax your shoulders more. Yeah, that's nice. So let's stand up. I just want to see if that cleared some of that stuff up going to move your right arm down more. There you go. Now stand up for me, okay? You're pretty good with those sound effects. And again, it's a quick movement, okay? There you go. And you're not going to get an audible on that, but what that's going to do is that's going to get some motion to that joint, right? And then we would